This is the mini pumpkin string art kit tutorial by String Art by Kaylee. To make this, you'll need the pumpkin kit, which comes with yarn bundles in your color choices, and you'll need a pair of scissors. Your board probably has the paper still on it, so go ahead and remove that and then grab your yarn bundles out of the organza bag. We will be starting with a stem, so grab that brown shade, grab the strand that's wrapped around the middle, and go ahead and unravel the little bundle. With that same strand, we will do a loop up in the air. This is how I like to start my knots, and then I'll just take that loop and tuck it onto any one of the nails on the stem. Go ahead and pull that yarn tight so it makes a knot and push it down to the base of the nail. To start each section, I like to go ahead and give it an outline so you can see exactly where we're stringing. Make sure that you're pushing that yarn down as you go. That will be important throughout the entire string art process to make sure we have plenty of room to add more layers. So now we'll go ahead and start filling in. There's not a certain way to do it. You can go in a pattern like this. You can kind of jump all around. The point is we're just trying to cover up the board underneath. Once you like how full it is, make sure that it's pushed down as far as you can go. We'll go ahead and give it just another outline like we started with. This gives it a nice smooth finish. And then to tie off, I just take my scissors and trim it to where we only have a few inches left of that strand. Make that loop just like how we started with, and then tuck the loop onto one of the nails and pull it tight. Then I'll take my scissors and trim the strand to about a ½ inch or so, and use the scissors again to tuck it between the layers. This will help hold the knot. Now we'll move on to the pumpkin, so go ahead and grab that bundle and the strand wrapped in the middle and unravel. With the same end, we'll go ahead and do that loop up in the air, tuck it onto any one of the nails on the pumpkin, pull it tight, and just like with the stem, we're going to outline the pumpkin. Don't worry about the nails that are in the middle, we just want the main pumpkin shape. Once you have your outline, make sure it is pushed down to the base of the board, and it will go over top of the layers of the stem. Like I said with the stem, you can string it up any way you want. You can jump around like this, or you can do it kind of in a pattern, keeping it nice and clean. And like I said when we were doing our outline, we're just going to ignore those center nails and pretend they're not there for now. Fill in until you like how full it looks. You can do it to where you still see the board behind it, or completely cover it up. It's totally up to you. Once you are done with your layers, we'll go ahead and top with an outline again. This is where we will include those inner nails. Once you get up to this top point, we'll just do one big circle and then continue on. To tie off, we'll just cut the yarn at a few inches, make that loop and pull it tight. And then use the scissors to trim the strand to about ½ inch and tuck it between the layers. And we now have a finished mini pumpkin string art. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more.